What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Clark, back at it again with another video, another trading session. Let me get my broker right. Give me 1 second. Hope you guys having a great Monday. Hope y'all not too tired from the Super Bowl. Them Eagle boys dominated them Chiefs. That's what I like to see, baby. But we ain't gonna talk about that. Y'all know we trying to get this money, baby. Good morning to everybody. Make sure my broker up. All right, market just open, man. So we have Meta is sitting around all-time highs. Meta is sitting around all-time highs. So I'm watching reject of Meta's all-time high. And SPY open around 604. 604 is a strong weekly level. So we need to bounce off of that level, either up or down. See if we can get a move off of SPY, but we just gonna keep watching. Nvidia has been given a uptrend. Nvidia has been given an uptrend recently, past week, so actually watching that as well. So let's see what happens. Let's see what the market presents to us. Good morning, Mason. That boy Mason in the chat. Good morning. Let's see what happens. Y'all know we're trying to find a trend. If we don't find a trend, we can look for consolidation breakouts, either up or down. We're looking for a pullback, and we're looking for a trend. We want to see a big move, and it looks like Nvidia giving us a decent move right now. Got Nvidia taking off early. Let me pull up Broadcom right quick. All right, let's see if Nvidia wants to give us a pullback. Look like it's just finna take off. I like this Nvidia right here, but look like the market pulling back a little bit. Don't want to be too aggressive today. We want to see what the market actually wants to do. It's a Monday, so I wouldn't be surprised if we get a little chop. MU is taking off. See if Nvidia want to give us a pullback or not. 24 seconds on Nvidia. We're going to load up Nvidia pretty early here. I'll load up Nvidia's 132 calls. I'm in light. Want to see SPY and QQQ hold their levels. If Nvidia takes off right here past this pullback counter right here, I'll take an entry on calls. All right, guys, I'm in Nvidia. Let's see what happens. Nvidia is sitting over that 130 level, which was a strong level. The past few weeks, we above the level and we above the pre-market high and Friday's high. So I like the setup. But if we break down, you don't have to take this trade, guys. Y'all remember, I do lose trades, so you ain't gotta be a hero. What up, Eric? What it do? You don't have to take every trade I take. I just show y'all my setup, show y'all how the shit work. We up 2% right now on the video. I'm in super light first trade of the week. Not really trying to lose too much if this trade don't go our way, but this is the perfect setup. All right, we up 3%. Let's go. We up 5%. My stop loss is this pre-market high right here. Let's go, baby. We still up sitting at 5%. I just told y'all like 5 minutes ago, Nvidia has been in an uptrend. You see how it clearly gave me a setup soon as the market opened. We're up 7%. Let's go. See if we can get some more out of this. We up 8% on Nvidia. 9. Let's go, baby. That's how you get in the market and get some money, baby. We up 10% already. Nvidia calls. That's how you wake up and get some money, baby. We up 12%. 12%. I'm all right. I'm gonna take a trim right here. Take a little trim right here. We up 12%. Think about that, guys. Hop in, get in the market. Press a button. You already up a couple hundred to start the day. You know what I'm saying? We up 15%. We up 15%. My entry was down here. I told you guys I was watching the video early because we've been in an uptrend. We up 16%. Let's go, baby. 16% on the video. Let's go. Let's see if we can get some more. We got the perfect entry. We up 15%. I'm taking a trim only in runners now. Stop loss break even on runners. I'll trail my stop as we move up, but let's see what happens. I'm pretty sure we probably will pull back. Stop loss is still break even right now. We up 11% on runners. I told y'all we soon as the live start, we're gonna get this money, baby. We ain't talking about no Super Bowl today. We up 19%, baby. Let's go. Sniper entries, baby. Take y'all money, man. Take your money. Take your money. We up 19% on the video. I told y'all the video had an uptrend early. There we go. 22%. 22% on the video. Hey, I don't bullshit, man. I don't bullshit. Too early for this shit. 22%. Let's go. Hey, take your money if you got in. Take your money if you got in. We up 22% on the video. I ain't looked at no chart all weekend. All I did was open the chart today, mark my levels, pre-market levels, pre-market highs. We up 24%, baby. 24% on the video. I'm still in, guys. I'm still in. Let's see what this next candle does. All right, I'm gonna raise my stop to behind this candle right here. This candle that just closed, I'm gonna raise my stop right here just so we can keep it green. I'll let Nvidia do what it want to do. We still up 26%. This is how you wake up and get that money right here. Let's go. We up 29% on runners. We in runners. We up 29%. Let's go. 31%. Let's go, baby. Let's go. All we doing is trailing our stop now. We just trailing our stop. We up 34%. 34%. I'm gonna move my stop up a little bit on top of this candle right here. I just want to keep this trade green. So if we come back down, I'll get out. Let's see what happens. We up 31%. I'm about to take my money on this one just because we kind of hit the goddamn jackpot first trade. 35%. 35%, baby. Let's see if we can get some more. I told y'all we could get over that 130 hump on the video. We're gonna get that money. We up 35% on the video right now. Let's go. Mindful Matters, good morning. Good morning. I think Mindful Matter, I think she good. Look, every time she jump in, we always getting that money. We up 36%. I'm still in the video, guys. I got in down here on the pullback. Let's go. We up 38%. 40%, baby. Let's go. Let's go. We up 40% on the video. Let's go, baby. 42%. Let's go. Oh shit. We didn't hit the chart today, baby. We didn't hit the chart today. All right, I'm gonna move my stop behind this counter right here that just closed. Move my stop behind this counter that just closed. Just want to keep it green. Keep it green. I'm just gonna keep trailing my stop. If we come back down to where this candle just closed, I will exit. I just want to keep this first trade green. We up 31%. Let's go, baby. I'm not even watching any other chart. I already found my chart for the day. Why look at all these other charts? You know what I'm saying? We found our chart for the day. This is what I'm trading. I'm focused on this right now. I ain't finna jump in no 2 trades, none of that. We up 25% still. My stop is behind this counter right here. Let's see what happens. Just trailing my stop tight. We still up 26%. If we break down past this counter that just closed, I will exit. We up 25% still. That was a good ass trade right there. The video opened up and gave me the perfect pullback. All we do is this is what we do every day. Every day. This is what we do every day. All we do is mark our pre-market highs, pre-market lows. All right, guys, I'm out in the video. I took my 24%. That was a nice trade right there. Took my 24%. All right. That was first trade of the day. Nice trade. I'll break down this trade real quick why I took this trade. So I marked these pre-market highs and pre-market lows every day, guys. Look at this. Yeah, I know other charts moving. I'm gonna go look at them real quick. Give me 1 second. We got quick breakdown. So I marked these pre-market highs, pre-market lows. You see this pre-market high right here. This is the high. This green line right here is the high from Friday. And this pre-market high is the high from this morning. This is pre-market right here. This blue area and this yellow area is pre-market. So you know if these candles pass the levels from Friday, you know the chart is likely to keep going up in that trend, whatever levels it just passed. That's all we did. First candle went up, big candle. That's what you want to see, a big move. When we're looking for a trend, we want to see the big move. You see a big move going in a direction, it's probably a start of a trend. So soon as we got above that pre-market high, we pulled back. First pullback, I jumped in right here. We got up to about 40%, came down a little bit. My runners got 25%. Decent trade right there. Decent trade. All right, let's go look at these charts. Let's see what's going on. Let's go. That was a decent first trade. I know some of y'all hit with me. I just don't want to say it in the comments. If I make one of y'all a millionaire, y'all better give me my credit. Nah, I don't give a damn. I just want everybody to get that money, baby. Get that money. This is like almost money that's free. Saying, come get me. You know what I'm saying? Chart just opened up and said, here you go. Pull back. All right, here's the trend. Here's a big green candle for you. All right, you was waiting on the trend, right? All right, here you go. I'm gonna give you one big green candle and I'm gonna pull back for you. You see what I'm saying? The chart just gonna tell you where to put your money at. All right, we're gonna pass these levels right here. As soon as we pass the level, I'm gonna break the level and I'm gonna retest. After the retest, get in. The chart just talking to you. You know what I'm saying? Chart talking to me at this point. I'm like, oh, so you're gonna give me a pullback? Yeah. We're gonna pull back and I'm gonna get in right here. Boom. Shit simple, baby. But yeah, that was a good trade. Good first trade. Out of like the last 10 days, I think I've only lost like 2 or 3 times. I've been hitting for y'all on the low. I've been hitting for y'all. But let's see what these other stocks doing, man. Let's see. We hit the good. That was a good exit too, because Nvidia playing right now. We hit the chart that making the best move. Everything else is moving sideways right now. Apple trying to break out. If y'all see me looking to the side, I'm looking at other stocks. Don't mind me. I'm just trying to make sure we getting right. You know what I'm saying? Meta's probably about to. Meta's sitting on a trend line. Damn, Nvidia giving another entry right there. Ooh. You gonna give it to me again, Nvidia? Should we hit it again? Should we hit it again? Nah, I'll leave Nvidia alone. Look like we about to pull back. Let me check the RSI. Nvidia look like it's about to pull back. All right, you see that right there? Everybody see the RSI at the bottom, right? So all the RSI does is the relative strength index. All the RSI does is tell you when the price is oversold or overbought. So right now it looks like it's almost overbought. You see how the RSI is at the top and it's triggering green right there. You see that? Everybody see that right there? That right there. So if it was on the bottom, it would be undersold, because that that line right there will be towards this bottom right here. I'll explain this shit in another video, but basically if you come all the way up, it's overbought. So we're probably about to turn around in a minute. So yeah, it's oversold right now. So it's probably about to turn around here in a minute, but we're gonna wait and see. Let me take that RSI off, because all right, there we go. Good trade. I was in the VIA swings, 135 calls. I got a few weeks ago. Okay, hell yeah. New subscribers, seeing the charts live helps so much. Hey, exactly. That's exactly what I want to do. Because when I was doing this shit alone, I was like, damn, I know I'm not the only one struggling. You know what I'm saying? So I just started going live. Shit. And I just progressed with myself. But going live really helped me trade, no lie. Going live and going back and looking over these trades every day live, you really can pinpoint your errors, what you're doing wrong. This shit really helped me, I ain't gonna lie. And some of y'all that helped me in the chat. So I appreciate y'all too. But I'm trying to build some kind of community where we all get this money, man. We all get this money. Y'all see, we woke up, we do this every day. Every day. We day trade every day. Every day we press buttons and make hundreds, thousands. You know what I'm saying? Just pressing a button. Wake up, market levels, wait for the chart to pass your levels. If the chart don't pass your levels that day, hey, that's just a day you just ain't gonna trade. Don't take any trades. If you see choppiness in the market, don't take any trades. You want to see vertical movements, up or down. You want to see trends starting. If a trend starting, you can hop in and get that money. All you do is hop in and continue with the trend. You know what I'm saying? But that was a nice first trade on Nvidia. Nvidia looked like it's slowing down a little bit. Okay, Meta has broken down. That's what I was waiting on. Then I think I just said Meta finna turn around. Meta sitting on a trend line. I said Meta sitting on a damn Tesla. Ooh, woo. We missed that, but that's a good trade right there. This is the same thing. It's the same thing as the other chart. You see how Meta started downtrending? It's just opposite. Meta downtrended. It passed the level. That's the pre-market low. It passed the level and it came back up, retest. You can get in off the retest right here. Soon as you pass that pullback candle, that big green candle is the pullback candle. As soon as we came down right here, you could have got in. It's not the cleanest setup, but it's the same. the same trends that you're looking for. My bad. I'm trying to see if I can take those indicators off and give you some little clearer, you guys some clearer charts, but hopefully the indicators aren't messing with you guys. All right, Meta. Damn, Meta's dropping off. Okay. I knew Meta was gonna drop off. I just said that. SPY about to drop off too. SPY about to lose that 603, 604 level. We got 10 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and move to the 5-minute chart just so I can see if I can pinpoint us another entry real quick. I'm gonna go to the 5-minute chart. 5-minute chart just give me less candles. I can break down what the chart's doing on a 5-minute time frame. And just 5-minute time frames, I take it way better entries on 5-minute time frames. I don't know why. Even though we just hit on that 2-minute, got 40% out of NVIDIA, I still like to use the 5-minute. I don't know. I make the most money on the 5-minute chart. So if you don't know, guys, the first 30 minutes of the market, I use the 2-minute chart. First 25, 30 minutes, I use the 2-minute chart. And then I move on to the 5-minute chart at 10 a.m., 9:50, 10 a.m. I'll move to the 5-minute chart just so I can get less candles and cleaner charts and cleaner pullbacks so I can get into my entries. But yeah, that boy Mason said he was in a swing, in a video swing you bought a few weeks ago. Hopefully you bought it way down there when it was at I think it was down I think it was like 125. Let me see. Yep. The video was down to 115. Okay. But yeah, now you see the video stalling out right now. So remember I just showed you that RSI? We're probably gonna pull back. SPY and QQ is very weak right now. So we keep going down and get under this 200 moving average. We can take a trade off of SPY. Excuse me, guys. I'm still getting over a cold, man. Tesla still retesting that pre-market high. I mean, pre-market low. Yeah, we hit up the best chart today. AMD and NVIDIA kind of did the same thing, but yeah, we hit that. We hit that. Let's see if we can get a push off of one of these charts. See if we can get another You said, what was I looking at when I went to look up your previous open? Previous open. I don't know what you asking. Your previous open price? I don't know what you asking. My bad. Don't it though? I'm less confused more than ever. Oh, you talking about seeing the charts live helps? Yeah. That's why I do this shit live. You can't fake live trading. That's exactly why I do this live. You can't fake live trading. Can't nobody get on here and tell me I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. You know what I'm saying? Cause I do this shit every fucking day. You know what I mean? Can't nobody say, oh, he capping. I definitely ain't paper trading because y'all seen my emotions when I lose a trade on this motherfucker. So if I was paper trading, goddamn, I'd probably be laughing at the shit. But it's real money, so it's real emotions up in here. You know what I'm saying? If I lose, y'all see how I be cussing out the damn laptop. But exactly, Garbear, tune in every day. You're gonna learn some shit. I try to tell him. I've paid thousands for my training. I've paid mentors. I've paid discords. I just got all my knowledge from everybody that I learned from. And to be honest, the best knowledge and the knowledge that really helps me, I got it from YouTube for free rather than the shit I paid for. I just watched everybody and put it all together. You know what I'm saying? You said the time frame. Are you talking about when I went to what the fuck was you looking at when you went to look up your previous opens? Your previous open time frame? I don't know exactly what you were saying. I don't know. Maybe I'm having a slow moment right now. I don't know exactly what you're asking. My bad. I think when I looked at the previous open, I was looking at the video, like right here. I think that's what you're talking about. I'm on a 5-minute chart. So right here, this dark blue section is Friday. This is from 9:30 a.m. to 1600 or 4 p.m. This is Friday's trading day right here. So aftermarket is from about 4 p.m. I think it ends at like I ain't gonna don't mind me. I'm probably wrong. I think it ends at probably like 8 or 9 at night. 6, 7, 8 or 9, something like that. So then at 04, the pre-market opens up right here. That's where this yellow starts at 4 in the morning, all the way up to 9:30. 9:30, we get our first candle. You see what I'm saying? So the high of Friday is this green line right here. The pre-market high is this green dotted line right here. All you do is mark the high of that level. So I marked the high of Friday, which is right here, and the high of pre-market, which is right here. And the same thing goes for the lows. Mark the low of the day. The low of Friday is right here. The low of Friday's pre-market or this morning's pre-market is right here. So when the market opens up, all we do is wait for the levels, the candles to pass those levels. We know if we pass those levels or get under those levels, that chart has potential to push off of those levels just because it hasn't been above those levels since Friday, Thursday. Think about this. Wednesday. It hasn't been up here. You see what I'm saying? Now if we go to a bigger time frame, now we really gonna see. Now we're really gonna see. This is like this stuff I really teach in my one-on-one training, but I teach it to y'all real quick. So you see, we broke those lows last week right here. This is a hourly chart right here. We broke the lows last week. We still have a gap to fill right here. Up there, right there. We still have a gap to fill. We never filled that gap from last week. This like 2 weeks ago, actually, when we dropped down. So we dropped down this level on January 27th. This one we dropped down. So we haven't recovered since January 27th. So we today on February the 10th, we finally got above that level again. You see what I'm saying? So because we haven't been above it, I know it's gonna go crazy. That's why as soon as it got across, I hopped in because I know the potential. But yeah, I don't know if that's what you was talking about, but yeah, she said, yeah, that was the answer. Okay. That boy Garber said he watched some of K Capital's video. You ever tried to use the pivot points? Yes, I have tried to use the pivot points, but I've learned, and I used to use the pivot point. To be honest, when I first started getting profitable, I started using the pivot points. But I don't know why I stopped, to be honest. I don't know. Why did I stop using pivot points? But I don't know. It probably I think because I stopped using pivot points. Let me see if I can pull it up. It ain't up. I stopped using pivot points because it was just putting too much on my chart. I don't like a lot of stuff on my chart, a lot of indicators. To be honest, oh, that's why pivots ain't showing up. I'm slow. Okay. All right, because to be honest, I can really only trade with the see sometimes when you pull the pivots up, it pulls up too many us. I don't know. I guess my pivot, something be wrong with my pivots or something. But let me show you on a regular. I'm still watching these stocks. I don't really see no movement at the moment, not gonna lie. I'm still watching. We moving a little sideways. I see Broadcom breaking out, MU breaking out. If we can get over 95.3, we can give a 95.3. MU is breaking out. I would wait on a pullback and retest, but I told you guys it's a Monday, so I wouldn't be surprised if it's choppy. It was Super Bowl yesterday. Everybody drunk. Everybody late into the laptop. We probably hit the best move, not gonna lie. My boy Marshall said Marche. I don't know if that's a male or female name. I don't know, but my boy said, thanks for that was good info. Oh yeah, man. I drop good knowledge every day, man. Tune in every day. The time frame probably didn't even matter. Yeah, you're right. It probably didn't. But let me show y'all these pivots real quick. See pivots on my thing already. I didn't even have to click it. Yeah, I just don't use pivots just because I can use the 200 MA. But it really helps if you don't know any levels. So all pivots is it basically marks the levels for you. You don't even have to wake up and mark your levels, but I've just found it better for me to mark my pre-market and my pre-market high, pre-market low levels myself rather than using pivots, because pivots be everywhere. Look at this. It was just everywhere, all in my face. You know what I'm saying? Every time I see it coming up to a pivot, I want to jump out of a trade or something like that. But pivot points do work. You know what I'm saying? Not 100%. I ain't gonna lie. I've seen some days charts that fly right past the pivot. You'd be like, damn, I thought that was the pivot. You know what I'm saying? I'm thinking it was going, but some charts do that. But they're decent though. They decent though. I have used them before. I just don't use them anymore. That was a good exit on the video. Y'all look at that. Y'all see that? Good exit on the video. See all them wicks right there? Remember I showed y'all the RSI? I told you the RSI will show you when the chart is finna pull back. That's what the RSI does. I didn't find out about this RSI until I took a mentorship. This indicator right here, I took a mentorship and they showed me about this RSI. Anytime you see a chart going up, you can change the settings in it, but anytime you see a chart going up above this top line, chart is probably about to turn around. You can use it to get inputs if you wanted to, but anytime the chart is down here, meaning we're in a downtrend, and you see it'll be greenish just like that, that means we're about to turn around. It's the RSI, Relative Strength Index. It shows if a price is overbought or oversold. I'm telling y'all, if one of these gurus on YouTube watched my live, they would be mad. I'm giving y'all all this fucking info. I bet you they would be mad. I've actually had somebody ask me why I give so much info, because I don't care. Give me 1 second. Yeah, we fizzling out. Let's see. That's crazy. We ain't got no movements from QQQ or SPY. Cause think about it though. This is why I do it live though. You can't nobody really come to a chart. It's easy to come to a chart and say, like, think about this. You can easily go to the chart after Friday's close, go Saturday morning, make a video, say, hey, I hit this yesterday. This is what I hit yesterday after a chart. How you really know they hit that? You know what I'm saying? That's why I do it live. So like you can't cap this. You can't lie about it. Anybody can go to a chart that's already done for the day and say, yeah, I hit this earlier. Shit. I'm gonna show you live that I hit it. That's what I like showing. I like showing live technical analysis, technical breakdowns, and me pinpointing my entries. Meta is probably about to reject off of this trend line. Tesla, y'all see that? Tesla moving sideways. It's getting above open price level. Open price level is that yellow line right there. Open price level is just the level where the market opened up at, where Tesla opened up at. So we got above open price level. If we can hold above that yellow line, Tesla can give some strength if it can hold above, but we still needed to get up above some of these pre-market highs and Friday's high. But looks like SPY is very strong right now. Y'all see that? SPY's, see if SPY can get above the 604 weekly level. Damn, Amazon went down, turned around. Okay. Google held its lows, getting busy over there. Okay, let's see. Let's see. I will be interested in this SPY. We can stay strong. SPY can stay above 604. We got a lot of choppiness up there though. Let's see what happens. Let's see what SPY does. Damn, MU. Okay. MU went up. Look at that. Pull back. That red candle is a pullback. Soon as MU passed that candle, entry. Stop loss below the red candle, red pullback candle. So you would have got in, held it. You would have got all that right there. All right, QQQ. We probably about to pull back. I wouldn't be surprised. You see, Meta has this trend line right here going up. Let me show you on the 1 hour. I actually can take this trend line out. Not as great as trend line, but I marked that trend line this morning actually. And all you want to do off a trend line, if we break down under the trend line, you know we probably gonna stay bearish. That's all the trend line tells you. We stay on the top of it, we stay under it. We're gonna stay bearish or stay bullish. Now, right now we're sitting under it. So we're gonna see what it does off of that. I feel like we about to break down though. SPY probably about to get rejected. Apple's breaking out of this choppiness. NVIDIA. I don't know. I think we got the perfect exit. I wouldn't hop in NVIDIA this late. When the move was already made, SPY still getting rejected. QQQ haven't really given it. It's giving a decent chart though. Ain't gonna lie. We got above pre-market high. Mindful Manners say, but see, helping people with the game is what will keep you great. All that gatekeeping not necessary when it's money for everybody out there. Bruh, no lie. I was saying the same thing because the guy, K Capitals, he used to actually like, damn, spy. Hold up. All right. But nah, he used to actually like give you everything. But now I see he done got a little bougie and he don't give all the information no more. That's why I told y'all if you go to K Capitals, that's why I learned most of my 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 ways to enter and exit a trade. I learned that from K Capitals. Go to YouTube, type in K Capitals. But he really don't give a lot of the free game no more. You gotta watch his old videos. He probably think nobody watching them, but shit, I watch him. Gotta watch his older videos. He give you the pinpoint. He'll tell you exactly when he get in. Now he just be like, "All right, guys, this is what I hit today. I got in somewhere over here." That's what he do now. He used to say, "I got in right here off of this candle," but he's Australian, so you probably ain't gonna really hear what he's saying. But I'm from. I've been in the military. I've been around a lot of different races. I've had to be in charge of a lot of different races, and I can understand what people be saying. But he Australian, so he got a real heavy accent. But I can understand him. Marche, I pay for a Discord and have yet to learn what you're explaining. You're helping a lot of people, man. Appreciate that, man. I try to be honest, them Discords. I lost so much money in the Discord. I didn't start making money till I left the Discord. I left the Discord, and that's when I started seeing them being profitable. I left, and I just started doing what I knew because I was at a point where I knew what I was doing, but I still wasn't there. So I kept thinking I needed somebody. I need to get another Discord, or I need to get back into Discord. But no, I just started losing by myself, seeing why I was losing, and I just really got confident in myself. First time I got confidence when I really took a trade by myself and that bitch was green. I was like, oh, it's over with now. I just do the same setup every time. And when I found K Capitals, he do the same setup every day. The same exact setup how we just hit the video. And I said, this gonna be my setup. Find a trend, find a pullback, get in off of the pullback. So all I did when I figured out what my trading strategy was, I started going back years. I started going back years ago, just to see if this same setup would work. I was like, okay, it's working on here. It's working right here. It was working back in 2016. It was working in 2018. The same setup was working in 2021. So I was like, okay, I think I found my setup. Same, your setup is wait for your levels to get broken, wait for a pullback, and get in off the pullback. Stop loss behind the pullback candle. And once I figured that, it was simple. No lie, it was simple. My main thing I couldn't figure it out. I couldn't figure out my hardest thing trying to learn. I couldn't figure out, all right, when to get in, when to get out. That was my hardest thing. I ain't know. I ain't know, but when I figured that out, it was a wrap. I ain't know what contract to pick. I ain't know a lot of stuff. But and picking contracts is very easy, guys. Picking contracts is very easy. You just pick in the money contracts. If you see the chart is at 134 right now, you see it's going up. Your setup is like when I was right here, we was at 131. All I did was I just go $1 up. Look at my broker. If we sitting at 131, the contract I will buy is 132. I think we're gonna go up $1. So that's my bet. I put in however many contracts I want, 132 strike price. And y'all see we got 40%. You know what I'm saying? We went up past 132. That don't mean I gotta get new contracts. Hell no. We won the bet. So now we just gonna take our money. You know what I'm saying? We went from 131 all the way to 134. But yeah, Marche, I was thinking the same thing. Um, I was paying to watch somebody trade, and she did no helping. It was like watching a funeral. Damn, that's fucked up. Soon as I opened my live, I was in a trade today. Hey, I don't. If I see my setup, best believe I'm taking the trade. Win, lose, or draw, I'm taking the trade because I know this setup works 85% of the time. I don't care about a loss. I know how to lose now. That's what I had an issue with too. I ain't know how to lose. I ain't know how to take a loss. I'm a very competitive person. I like to win everything I'm in, any sport. Look at Spy. Spy ain't doing nothing, man. I wanted a continuation off of that 604, but you see, we kind of pulling back now. We fizzling out. You know what I'm saying? That's why I told y'all we had it to hit that RSI on the video. That's why the video not doing nothing. That's how you know when it's time to exit. But QQQ is giving me a setup right now. Look at this shit right here. 529. $5.30. I need Spy to get over this 604. That's the only reason I wouldn't take this QQQ setup right here. But that's a pullback entry. We passed our pre-market high. We got a pullback entry. I would take that right there, but Spy is sitting on a weekly level. 604, that purple level right there, that's a weekly level. And this is why it's a weekly level. I'm going to show you real quick. This is the 1 hour chart. Remember, I told you guys, if you're ever indecisive, look to the left. This is 604 level. You see all the reactions we got on 604? We went up, got rejected, came back down. Went up, played around on that level, came back down. You see? Right here, went up, retested 604 right here. That's how you know 604 is a strong level. Look at this. Went up, just played around 604 all Friday, all Thursday. That was that choppiness. We was on 604. Now we went down, dropped under 604. Now we're coming back up, trying to retest it. Let's see if we can get above 604 level right here. We can take a trade on top of that. But if we get below it, we can take a trade coming off of 604. And SPY and QQQ moves identical almost. So if you see we at a strong resistance points, basically resistance point just means we got strong resistance overhead, meaning 604 is a strong weekly level, meaning 604, there's a lot of sellers, the big money buyers, the big money billionaires that got way more money than me and you. They're all sitting at this 604 level, waiting to see what happens. Some of them wanted to go up, some of them wanted to go down, but that 604 level will be those big investors' stop loss. So as soon as we pass that level, you know they're going to get the selling. They got to get out of them contracts because it didn't hit their stop loss. You know what I'm saying? I try to explain it to y'all in the simplest way I can, man. Spend 5 minutes for it. All right, we're gonna get a chart about 10 more minutes. Let's see. We're gonna get a chart about 10 more minutes. Marche, are you a female or a male? I don't know. I don't wanna get it wrong. I'm country, so I don't know. I don't know some of these names sounding like it could be both genders. I don't wanna try you like that. I was thinking the same thing. I was paying mindful manners. Yeah, we on the same page. It's a lot of gatekeeping. I'm glad you said it is, man. It is. And it's simple, really. To be honest, when I got into Discord, I got way more confused because they started using other terms I've never heard before. But come to find out, it's the same thing I was getting trained on. I'm just like, what's that word? What that mean? Because I learned it another way. You know what I'm saying? But the thing I would do is stick with the same person. Like if you feel like you can not saying me shit, because who I thought was gonna teach me, I had to go somebody else to actually learn the shit. But You got to see who trades the way you trade or the way you like to trade. You know what I'm saying? Nephew, I forgot I wrote that. I ain't lying here. She claimed she was teaching us to trade futures, but was basically just making money off people in 2 months. Nothing. I think I know who you talking about. I think I know who you talking about. I think I do know who you talking about. Is that the one that just quit trading? She said she was quitting trading. I think I know who you talking about. The one she had all of a sudden she about to quit trading now. I think that's the same person. I don't know. But I don't even care about them subscribers. Y'all just give me a like. I just want to show y'all this shit. This shit is fucking simple. You don't have to wake up every day thinking it's some hard shit finna happen. We do this shit every day, man. All this shit is at this point is like a puzzle. Seeing where the puzzle gonna go. At this point, that's what it's like. It's like a puzzle. It's like shapes. Like Nvidia's giving us a bull flag right here. See, we got the flagpole right here. You see, we got the flag. You see that? We got a flagpole and we got a flag. This is called a bull flag right here. So the breakout of the flag, we're gonna go higher. But if we don't break the flag, we're gonna go lower. You see that? That's like simple shit right there. You know what I'm saying? And it looked like we probably finna break down. Look at QQQ is already breaking down. I told y'all SPY is sitting at a weekly level. Look what we doing. Damn, that was a good fucking entry too off of puts. If I was aggressive when I just showed y'all that 604 weekly level, I could have watched this right here. We got a doji candle. Anybody know what a doji candle is? Let me know in the comments if you know what a doji candle is. We got a doji candle coming off of that 604 level, that weekly level I just told you guys. I'll tell you what a doji candle means here in a second. But we got a doji candle. Oh shit. Did we get news? Oh shit. Okay. But yeah. If it was the breakdown, we got a doji candle, meaning that doji candle just means it's indecisiveness in the market. Nah, not her with the big face. A small open closed body, right? Garber said small open closed body. So it basically means there was very indecisiveness in buyers and sellers. So basically it went up, went down, and basically just met in the middle. So the battle was kind of like from the sellers and buyers. Damn, I should have gotten that QQQ. Fuck. All right, you seen the video breaking the flag? So basically, there was indecisiveness between the buyers and sellers, meaning the chart can break down. But as you can see, technicals are not 100%. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes it can happen a different way. Like right now, it could still break down. And all when I say break down, I mean it's rejecting the highs. It's gonna break down and fall off. Basically, you're gonna start seeing red candles. But if we get above the 604, we gotta hold the level though. That's the thing. We gotta hold the level. We keep going up. If we keep getting wick, we're not holding the level. You see what I'm saying? Damn, I should have jumped in QQQ. That was a great pullback right there. Fuck. It's all good. I only took one trade today, guys. I only got in the video earlier. Right off of here. I ain't been doing it but running my mouth really, but I told y'all metal was finna break down. Oh, Amazon. Ooh. Missed that right there. Anna's Archive. Yep, Doji lets you know if buyers or sellers are exhausted. Exactly. Anna's Archive. Download some books from there. Them books free. I'm the type of person I have to read. I have to read books that are you see, we got rejected. Look at that. We getting rejected again. We got a doji, meaning indecisiveness between sellers and buyers. We got another candle that went up, got rejected again. I wouldn't be surprised if we break down right here. Look at this. Big wick right here. My dog's fighting. Give me 1 second. But I swear, I wish the world could know about this. Cause this is like my third. This is my third business I done started. Well, I treat trading as a business because I've invested a lot of money into it. So why not treat it as a business? But this is my third business I've ever started, and this the easiest money I ever made. Not gonna lie, easiest money to lose too. But you know, we win way more than we lose over here. Yes, and they be $300 to $400 books. Y'all welcome. Okay, y'all see that Annie's Archive. Mindful Matters putting y'all on game. Annie's Archive. I'm about to look it up right now though. Hold up, let me see. I'm the type of person I need what you call them, the books that read to you, digital books. I'm that type of person. I can't sit and read a book. I have before, but I rather listen. Like at the gym, working out, going for a walk. That's when I like to listen to a book or something. You know what I'm saying? And these archive. Oh, okay. Say that they all digital books. You just download them. Okay, 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 okay. Oh, it's 10:28, guys. It's already goddamn been an hour. Damn. I wanted to see if I can get one more trade for y'all, but I'm kind of good with my chart I hit. Ooh, Amazon had a damn. All right, you see SPY is finally breaking over 604. Damn, I should have jumped in QQQ. Let's see if SPY can hold this 604 level. 604 is a strong level, so we can hold above it. The buyers are going to push it up if we can hold above it. So let's see what happens. You download the audiobook reader for that. Okay, they got audiobooks. All right. I like when Nephew Country ass say archive instead of archive. Oh shit. I don't even be realizing some of the stuff I say, but hey, y'all know I'm country. Hey, I like this spot right here. 49 seconds on this candle. Let's see what happens. If we hold above 604, I'll take an insurance on this just to see what happens. Let me see what happens. I don't like that we getting rejected right now. Look at that. AMD. Amazon just had a strong breakout. Let me see where I would have caught this at. Amazon. Told y'all metal was finna break down off of that. I just told y'all metal was finna break down off of that trend line, didn't it? Did exactly what I said, huh? 4 seconds on this candle. Let's see. SPY 604. All right, guys. I'm gonna take an entry on SPY. I'm in light right now. I'm gonna take an entry on SPY calls. I'm in SPY calls right now, just because it's up above a strong level right now. It's up above that 604. This is not a pullback entry. It's kind of like a consolidation breakout. We went up, came down, went up, got up above 604. I told you I ain't gonna take the entry unless you give it to me in my face. SPY clearly is telling me to get in right here. You see what I'm saying? So I just got in right here over 604. We up 5% right now already. We up 5% right now. You see that 604? I clearly just told you guys. That's what I was watching. We up 3% right now. So because SPY held above it, you know SPY ain't fighting that level no more. SPY is up above it. So we should go crazy right now. Not even gonna cap to you. If I pull my Fibonacci out, we pull back, tap the 6.236 level right here. Yeah, that's the perfect entry. Let's see what happens. We up 2% right now. I'm not in heavy at all, guys. Tesla rejecting off 200. Is that good? Let me go see. Give me one sec. Let's see. We up 6%, guys. 6%. Take y'all money. Take your money. Take your money. If you up, take your money. I don't care if it's $30, $40. You just pressed a button and made $30, $40 in goddamn 2 minutes. We just got in. You know what I'm saying? Damn, Amazon. I'm mad I missed this. It bounced off the 200. Went straight up. All right, you said Tesla. Still in SPY calls. We sitting at 5% right now. Where is Tesla? Oh, okay. Exactly. Yep. You definitely right, Garbear. You got the bounce off the 200, and we got under back. We went up and got rejected back under the low of Friday. So you know you got two strong resistances up ahead. You got the low of Friday and you got the 200 moving average. You can get in as soon as you broke that lower Friday. You could have got in right there. But yeah, it's just same way I just got in SPY. We broke the level off of a consolidation. I just hopped in. We up 4% right. Why these contracts ain't moving? See what this next counter does. I'm gonna scalp this real quick. See what we can get out of it right quick. Let's see. But yeah, you're right, Garber. We rejected off of that 200 moving average right there. Yeah, you could take an entry right off of that 200 moving average. Some people take an entry off of it. I used to. I don't do it no more. I kind of want a continuation. But if I would have seen this, hell yeah, as soon as it got under pre-market low right there, I would have got in. But you can wait though, because it might retest. It might come down, retest, go back up, tap it, and then come back down some more. That'll be a nice entry too. But again, it's 10:30 already. Usually about 11:30, market like to fizzle out a little bit until about 12, 1 o'clock when lunch hours. Everybody go lunch hour trading. So the percentage of that trade really happening or really retesting this late in the market, but not late. It's only been open an hour, but you know what I'm saying? I don't think it would probably retest. So you probably just have to take an aggressive entry if you wanted to get in off of that 200 bounce. We still up 4%. We ain't moving, man. Let's see. Come on, let me get like 10, 15%. I'll exit call it a day. 2 green trades. Just about to say they not moving. Yeah. I see why I don't like to get in I don't like to get in plays this late. I like to get in them early. You know what I'm saying? My stop loss is this 604 level. Let's see what happens. We down 1% right now. This is a perfect setup on SPY though. I ain't gonna lie. We went up, got above pre-market high. Pullback entry. All we did was found the trend. The trend was this was the trend going up. Pull back consolidation off of that 604 weekly level. And all we got was the broke of the pre-market high. We got in at the broke of the pre-market high. So we got the pre-market high and a 604 weekly level sitting right here. We need to hit 605. Let's see. Get up above its highs. SPY rallying. I mean QQQ rallying. We should have hit that too. Right there. That pullback right here. Yeah. All right, we back up 4%. Chart don't want to move. Let's check the RSI. All right, so the RSI, we almost oversold. See right here, we was oversold. I mean overbought, my bad, overbought. So all you want to do is look at the RSI. Once you see that line going up above this level right here, you know it's oversold. So it's probably not a great idea to put your money in right there because the price already made the move. But I just took an aggressive entry. You know what I'm saying? I just wanted to see what I can get out of it. We only down. We're sitting at break even right now. So if y'all got in with me, you can exit if you don't feel confident in the chart right now. Like I said, price action kind of slowing down at the moment. It's 10:37. But I'm gonna give it a couple minutes. Let's see what happens. Stop loss is this 604 level. Stop loss. If we break down under here, I'll exit. We down 5% right now. Come on, SPY. I'm not in heavy at all. That's why I'm just letting the chart do its thing. We got 2 wicks though. That's not a good sign. We bouncing though. Bouncing off that pre-market high. We down 6%. If we get under that pre-market high, I'll exit. Trying to keep my day green. You know what I'm saying? I ain't trying to get back no gains. That's why I'm gonna keep this stop loss tight. Damn, QQQ. I should have definitely hit that up. I seen it too. It's all good. Nah, I'm in SPY. SPY don't even want to move. QQQ over there taking off. Down 3% on SPY. Still holding though. Still holding. We need to retest these highs again. See if we can get above 604.98. You see in the video, see the candles getting smaller. That's when you know not to hop in no trade. You see the candles getting smaller. You don't really see no trends, continuation, or none of that. All right, let's see what SPY does. If we don't get above this candle right here, I'll exit, break even, because I don't like how it's moving right now. We sitting at break even right now. I need to see something off this. If not, I got a strong possibility that we'll sit and chop around this chart for a while, and I won't be waiting on it. I'll rather wait on the entry rather than sit here. All right, we back up 4%. Let's go. We need to pass this candle right here. This is actually a pullback candle, no lie. Went up, retested, pulled back. Come on, SPY. Sitting up at 1% right now. I don't like this price action. SPY gonna play around with me all day. So what it look like. Damn, look at QQQ over here. Should have got in that. That's about a what? It's 529. About $1 move. But we starting to move sideways. I don't like that. All right, we got 3 wicks. 3 wicks, indecisive wicks, guys. I'm down 2% right now. So I don't like this. I don't like this chart right now. So we sitting at 9%, down 9%. I'm gonna take my exit right here. Exit right here. I just exit. I was in light. I ain't even lose a lot. We straight. We still green on the day. I took my what was that, 9%? I was down -9. But we got 40% on the video earlier. I just wanted to test SPY real quick just to see what was going on. See if we can catch us some on the back end, you know what I mean? But we did hit this 40%. We got a 9% loss right here. Still a decent day. Definitely a great first trade. But y'all know, man, I'm about to start my day, man. Start my day. Probably hit the gym or something. So hope y'all guys have a great rest of y'all day. We do this every day, 9:25, 9:30 sharp. We're gonna see if we can hit us some money up tomorrow. If you do need some extra training or something, y'all follow my Discord. Discord is in the link in the bio. My link is in the bio. So y'all follow my Discord. But it's your boy Clark, man. I'm gone. Y'all have a good day.